Hey everyone, David Horowitz from Retrium here. Today we're going to go back to the basics and ask a simple question. What is a retrospective? If you're new to Agile or you're new to retros, this will be the video for you, but even if you have more experience, stick around. You might pick up a tip or two. So what is a retro? It's quite simple actually. A retrospective is a chance for your team to look back on what has occurred in an attempt to get better going forward. And retrospectives stand in stark contrast to the traditional postmortem, which literally means after death. I always wondered, why wait to improve until after death? Why not improve during life? And that's the big difference. A retrospective is run on a regular and frequent basis throughout the lifespan of your product, project, or team to make sure that your team gets better as it does its work, as opposed to waiting till the very end after you've already messed up or after the project is already done. So when you're running a retrospective, you should keep in mind that it's not just a conversation for a conversation's sake. There's a goal, which is to achieve actionable team learning. As long as you learn something on the team that you can then use to act to get better, you've done your job. And it turns out that the best way to achieve actionable team learning is to use facilitation techniques. That's because if you don't facilitate the meeting, you're going to end up with a situation in which the most senior people on the team and/or the most extroverted people on the team are the ones who dominate the conversation. But facilitation techniques can help fix that problem. Some of the most popular and simple ones that I encourage you to use when you're getting started with retros are what went well and what didn't go well, start, stop, and continue, and mad, sad, glad. All three of those are really powerful and really will help the team think from different perspectives on how it might be able to improve. Now, if you want to know more about retrospectives and how to get started with them, I encourage you to watch this video right here. It has everything you need to know about how to run your first retrospective with your team. That's it for today. I hope this helped, and go start running retros. I promise they're the key to agility and will help your team improve.